Meet the ocean's fastest gunslinger, the pistol shrimp. It wields one oversized claw, but not for pinching. By snapping it shut at lightning speed, it fires a jet of water so fast it creates a cavitation bubble. When this bubble collapses, it unleashes a stunning shockwave and a deafening crack, louder than a gunshot. The implosion also generates a flash of heat, reaching temperatures as hot as the sun's surface, instantly boiling the water and paralyzing its prey. A tiny creature with the power of a sonic cannon, proving that in the deep, you don't need to be big to pack a punch.